Assalamu alaikum friends and family, it's me again Fatima. I have this fresh tomato from my food store from the market, so I'm going to be using them to make some tomato paste, homemade tomato paste. So I wash everything has been nicely been washed, so I'm going to cut them and then let me show you guys what I'm going to do. Try to remove all the seed out. I'm going to squeeze it. So I'm taking all the seed out. That's the tomato seed, the juice from the tomato. So I'm gonna shift everything on top of the tomato. So that's the, can you see that there's a lot of juice? See that? So please don't add any water in here. No water. I'm gonna take it to boil now. I'm gonna leave it here to be cooked. At this point, don't add any water. You're not gonna add any water here. So I'm not going to cover it. I'm going to cover it when the juice go down a little bit. No water. Whatever it says from the tomato. See that? Don't add any water. So I'm going to leave it to boil to when the water starts going down a bit, and then I'll cover it. That's my tomato paste is now boiling. See that? That's why I say don't add any water, because all this is the juice from the tomato. So I'm cooking it here till everything till the water go down. This is the tomato juice. Everything here is tomato juice. I'm going to be adding my beef root. I forgot to show it at the beginning of the video. That's the beef root. It's actually the tomato. The beef root will make your tomato paste to become very red. That's my tomato now. The water has gone down, so I'm gonna blend it to a smooth paste. So you see, when you add the beef root, it becomes so red. So I'll put it here and then I'm blending it now. That's the blended tomato. I'm still gonna cook it a bit till all the water gets dry. That's the tomato paste. You have to blend it to make it smooth. You still have a little bit more water. So after you blend it, you need to cook it again for the water to be a bit dry. That's my tomato paste is now ready. I'll leave it to get cold, and then after I'll put them in my freezer bags. That's the tomato paste. That's the tomato paste now. The tomato paste has cooled down. So I'm going to put them in my freezer bags. And then this is the freezer bag I'll be using. Just put the amount that will be enough for you. You can add many beetroot as you want. See, tomato paste is very red. And then I forgot to tell you guys, I add 1 tablespoon of salt. I did that off camera because my battery was run out at that time. So this is my tomato loti. Just put the amount that will be enough for your cooking, so you know the amount that will be enough. That's my tomato loti, my tomato paste. See that? It's ready now. So I'm going to put everything in the freezer. So when you are putting in the freezer, just put them like so in your freezer. So anytime you're ready to cook, just bring them out and use it. Yeah. So there is it. If you want to label it, you can put the date and the title on it. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to share this video. Subscribe. Stay blessed. I will see you in my next